Welcome to See Finish Media. Today we'll be teaching you how to switch on ads on your monetized channel. A lot of people have been asking, how do I switch on ads on my monetized channel? I have been approved for monetization, but yet I can't switch on ads. I don't know how to do it. And here is a quick tutorial on how to switch on ads on each of your videos. Okay, before I give this information, please subscribe to my channel. If you're just visiting, subscribe to my channel, and also like and comment for more videos. Tell me what kind of videos you want to see or what you want to learn on YouTube, so I can teach you. Your like and your comment brings encouragement for more tutorials. Okay, let's go. As you can see here, if you look closely, you're going to see that most of them is off. I've switched on the first one already, so you can see. Follow the steps. Look at it. You can see it's off, right? Now I click on it. What do you see here? Off, on. So now I click on, and you see the save button. I click save. It becomes on. I do it again. You can see it. I click on, and I click on save. It saves again. Look at another one that is still switched off. I click on and save. Go to another one. It has the off button also. I click on it, and I click on and save. So this is all I ask you to do. Watch this video and follow the steps I just showed you. It's pretty easy as ABC, so you shouldn't find it difficult. You say you didn't see a save button, which it's not, you're not doing it right. You see it, there's a save button there. Once you click on this on button, there's save. You click and save. Let me do it one more time. You can see it. The save button is not switched on yet because I've not switched on to on. So now I'm doing it. The save button come alive, so I click it. It's on.